Hey friends, I hope you are having a beautiful Sunday. It is such beautiful weather here today. We're actually at the park. My daughter is playing with some of her friends, so I thought I would just share with you guys my bag of the day. I've actually been carrying this about a week now, but it is the beautiful mini Palm Springs Mini. I've had this bag for a few years now. I absolutely love it. It's like one of those bags that it's very casual, so like I've been in like jeans and t-shirts and sandals, so very perfect for the weather. I have a few things in here. If you caught my last post, you'll know that I carry this little beauty on St. Patty's Day, and this is from the men's collection. This is actually a pocket organizer, but I use it to hold cards in, and I usually keep like my store cards in it. But my Papa Green, this is what I used. And then I also am still in my zippy coin wallet, and this was from the Denim Remix collection. I want to say maybe 2023 or 24, maybe 24 I believe. But anyways, I unboxed this on my channel. Go back and take a look. And then the last thing I have, of course, is my mini pochette. I can't leave home without some type of like catch-all for like my daily necessities. So yeah, that's what I'm carrying, besides like my keys and my phone, which I'm recording on, and my AirPods. So this little beauty, although small, she does hold a lot, and I mean, she's just perfect for this weather. I don't wear it as a backpack, but it technically is a small backpack, but I usually wear it over the shoulder. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day.